Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to teach you how to make like a good setup for a slime Instagram video. And I've been looking up a lot of videos about this and I haven't seen a lot of results, so this is going to be an A+ video. So let's get started. So first you're going to need a surface. So I'm using this nice surface right here. It is just like a large piece of plywood, and make sure this is the one that when you put slime on it, it doesn't stick. I'll just do a little example of this slime right here. Basically, obviously it's gonna stick if it's a sticky slime, bit of a sticky slime. But like if you stick it on there and it won't come off of the board, this will come off of the board, if you know what I mean. Like, if you guys should know what I'm talking about. That kind of texture. So yeah, that's the kind that you will need. So then, if you don't have a tripod, so this is a no tripod thing. You're going to use this. So you're going to need so I found this on the internet. So you need like 2 boxes about, and then I'm just using the small box, and then a heavier box, so you need like 4 boxes or 3. And then you're going to take pencils, and I use these, and you're going to go skinny like that. Frick! Oh gosh, okay. Okay, so basically you're gonna have them like skinny like this, and then you're gonna put your plywood or whatever down. Make sure it's all the way over there. So then with your phone, it'll be like through, sorry, but you put it up there, and then it films what's going on down here. So yeah, I'm going to insert my video clip right here. Okay guys, so basically I forgot to film a thingy outro. That's what it's called. So I forgot to film an outro, so this is my outro. So that's basically how to make a good slime video. And if you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more videos, let me know in the comments.